weekend. So overall, this cold pattern continues, but it's mild today, breezy too. The trade-off, some rain coming in the afternoon, and that lines up with the next threat on our radar, which is the rain impacting the evening commute. So it's going to be wet, it's going to be slow, and in the higher elevations, there could be some snow with this. But the chance for snow this weekend is something we're keeping a close eye on. Sunday would be the day that if we're going to get any snow, it looks like it's going to happen. You can see here, big dip in the jet stream. This has been the persistent pattern this month, which is why it has been so cold. And a lot of these disturbances have been kind of rounding the bend of the trough and then heading out to sea to our south. So they've had snow in the mid-Atlantic states, the Carolinas, and we've been missing out. There's going to be another one of those disturbances coming up on Sunday. And if the piece of colder air comes in, it can kind of push south and force this storm a little farther north. Some of our computer models the past couple of days have been saying that's going to happen. The trend with them overnight is saying the storm is going to be a little bit farther south now and maybe miss us out to sea. So we're watching for the chance of some snow on Sunday. There's going to be a storm. It's just how close to us does it come? And right now I'm leading toward a farther south pass and minimal impact here, but we'll watch it for you. There is going to be some snow to our north today. There are winter storm warnings up in southern Vermont, winter weather advisories for Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine. You can see the snow out across New York now, but also the rain, and this is what is coming in our direction. We still have a little bit of rain on radar right now on the outer Cape and Nantucket. This is though moving out, and it will be dry the rest of the morning. Temperatures so much milder, running mostly in the 30s, already around 40 on Cape Cod, where it will come up close to 50 degrees this afternoon. But you can see the 30s here off to the north and west. Outside of 495, it is going to be colder today, but it is dry much of the day. It'll be after 4 o'clock that rain moves in to the Boston area, and this is not going to be a big rain event for us. It looks like rain totals overall going to be under 1/4 of an inch, but in the higher elevations there will be some snow. It's a minor accumulation, perhaps 1 to 3 inches out in the Berkshires, generally under an inch I think in the northern Worcester Hills, but in the higher elevations you're going to be seeing some snow, and snow is going to come as early as noontime up into Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine, and then we'll wait into the afternoon for that slug of moisture to push into these warmer temperatures. So raining by 4 o'clock in Worcester, raining thereafter for the evening commute closer to Boston, and there will be that snow in the higher elevations, but this is all wrapping up by around midnight, and then once it kicks out, we're drying out. Tomorrow is a dry day, nothing more than a stray flurry as the winds pick up from the west. So evening rain, then clearing late. Those winds pick up. We're in the 20s and 30s tonight for overnight lows, and tomorrow windy and colder. It's a mostly sunny day. It's only in the 30s. Winds are going to gust over 30 miles per hour, so feeling colder. Saturday should be dry, and then as we get into Sunday, we're going to again watch this storm. Looks like it's mostly missing to the south. The best chance I think right now of seeing some snow likely on Cape Cod, but we're all going to see some cold air yet again.